welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. I know it's been a while. I promise I'm gonna get better. I just gotta get this editing thing together. You about to see what I mean with this video. But as you see, I am moisturizing and priming her face. And as always, I'm setting my primer with setting powder. No, this does not cake my foundation, as you will see, but it's just going to fill in the pores and give a flawless finish. So I'm going to fill in her brows. I honestly don't even know what she's talking about. But I am using, it's like a shade in between my lightest brown and my darkest brown. So yeah, what you do to one eyebrow, you do to the other. And I am, girl, she didn't hiccup. She almost had a little cockeyed eyebrow. But I am girl, if she don't stop hiccuping, I'm underlining her brow. I'm trying to at least. Trying to get this brow snatched. But these hiccups, honey. So I'm taking one of my blending brushes just to blend out the concealer. And like I said, what I did on one eyebrow, I'm doing on the other. Now I am taking this gorgeous sea blue. I'll actually have the palette's name in the description. So I'm packing them in the outer corner, and then I'm sweeping it into the inner corner to give a little blown out effect. So I want my most boldest colors to be on the outer corner, and you will see why as I am making this shape. I am going in back into that corner with a darker blue, and just to give it some dimension. So I'm going to do the same thing as I did before. I'm going to pack my color on the out, and then I'm going to drag it inside, honey. Then finally, I'm going to use one more color. It's like this purpley blue shade, and that's just to give it a little bit more depth. I am using this shade instead of black, just because black just gives it a death-like feeling. All right, so I'm using my buffer blush, and as you see, my camera did something stupid, in which you didn't see me cut her crease, and I filled in the cut crease with this gorgeous shimmery silver. And then I did a transition with the first shade that I put on her lid. So as you've seen, I applied her foundation, and I am using my concealer now to highlight her points. As you see, I don't do a full like upside down triangle V thing. I found out and learned that doing these two shapes gives me that, that snatched look. I like my eyes to be pulled up. So just trying to give them that plastic surgery snatch without the nip and tuck. So I'm drying down my concealer a little bit, and that just gives it more coverage when it dries down. Blending it out, blending it out. And this was an early morning. I believe this client had like graduation pictures or something. This was before the pandemic, honey. But yeah. Oh yeah, and the lashes that she's wearing, it's from Nuvolux Raw Envy. I will also have that link down below. So I'm just blending out, blending, blending, blending. Of course, what you do to one side of the face, you do to the other side of the face. And look at that shape, honey. No tape, no nothing, just concealer and the flick of the wrist. So right now I am setting the concealer with some setting powder. And I can't tell you the brush that I'm using. That's some secrets for your girl and for you guys. I am contouring just to give her some warmth to the face. Now, I told y'all I had to get together with this editing, and this camera then did some craziness, so it's about to jump straight to the end. So I added some finishing setting spray, highlighted her to the gods. You could see her from Pluto, and gave her a cute baby pink lip. So let me know how you feel. Are you feeling this look? Cause I love it. But let me know what you think in the comments, and stay tuned to the next look, baby. I promise you, I'm gonna bring it next time. All right, stay serene.